Oh, she's got a go fast exhaust. What kind of clubs was he swinging? I mean, look at it. It's a hot mess, but it's there. She doesn't want to go into gear. The gear shift knob is on backwards. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are at Copart and we are having a ball today. It is perfect out here. The weather is magnificent. I mean, there's a nice breeze coming through. I'm surrounded by beautiful cars and trucks. The sun is shining and there's not a cloud in the sky. We had some severe weather come through lately, and it's nice to be able to enjoy a beautiful day. So we are on the hunt for a very cool car or truck or SUV or ATV or camper or boat or semi. Who knows what we're gonna find, but I do wanna tell, oh, well, all right. I think I found the perfect vehicle if you have someone who is wanting a very sporty A to B car that's gonna be very cheap to run, look very, very cool, and be very reliable. Yeah, here she is. Check her out. 2013 Toyota Scion TC in beautiful white with a black roof. And as far as damage, it doesn't look like it's too much. Whoever had this car just kind of bumped into something right here. I think you might even be able to save the bumper. You could repaint it. This, you might need to get a little Bondo or replace the hood. How much is the hood gonna cost you? Headlight seems to be okay. No damage over here. Look at the black on the top. That's nice. You will need a headlight on the left side. As far as damage, no. Okay, well, you're gonna have to invest in some tires. That one is bald. That Iron Man is bald. This one has a little bit of tread. I like the wheels. The rims are nice. Got all kinds of stuff in the back. We'll take a look at that. iMove Gen 2 Iron Man and a Nexon. So you have, well, I guess technically 3 different kinds of tires. That was a newer Iron Man, it looked like on the back there. On the inside, let's see. She's a stick shift. Thank you very much. Yes, and we have, oh, is this your pull? Ow, I think that's your pull for your hood. So someone's been in here. She could use a cleaning. I'll tell you that. You're gonna get a little money back. And I think this was owned by a girl because there's lots of little hair clips, hair bows in here, and ooh, that's a good sign right there. Okay, let's see if there's power in here. I hear that. Okay, give me a start. Oh, she's got a go fast exhaust. She started right up. 131,000 miles. Just a tiny bit of gas left. You got an aftermarket radio right here. This is a Pioneer. Let's go back. See if we can get some air conditioning going. Here we go. Turn on the AC. Give me the fan. You're a Toyota after all. Come on, you have to work. What's in here? You get lots of papers. You get your owner's manual right there. There's a nice little back seat. Okay, we're gonna close this. We're gonna help save the interior from all that hotness. She runs good, but listen to the exhaust. Yeah. That's what you want in a Scion. This is nice. Does she go into gear? Yep. There we go. All the gears. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we'll leave her here and let's take a look under the hood. And can we release? There's your gas cap. I don't know if the back is going to open for us. And the air conditioning is cold. Absolutely. What about the window? Yep. Good news there. Oh, come on. Here it is. Oh my. Ooh. We got 5-minute Pete the Cat stories. Good job. We got a hat. We got clothing, all kinds of clothing. Play-Doh. This was a family car. Oh, this was a dad's car too, because he played golf. What kind of clubs was he swinging? Let's see. Are these Pings? They're giant golf clubs. GX2s. I haven't played golf in a long, long time. Here's a Titleist. There you go. I don't know what a GX2 actually is. I don't know if they're good or not. There's your putter. Okay. And we have jumper cables and a gas can. You got everything you could ever want if you want to go on vacation. Something to keep the kids busy and something you can do when you get there. Play a nice round of golf. This is a nice car though. Where's the exhaust? Yeah, that seems to be aftermarket. She runs great. You need a wheel well cover. But up here, ooh, she could use a cleaning, but she still runs. Look at that. There's a lot of corrosion. I don't know. This looks to be kind of wonky too. See that? So this may be a little bent, your support bar right there. Your compressor is a little dented. So this could be a little more extensive, or just leave it. You know, just get the hood to close, just leave it. I don't know if that hole's gonna line up to that part on the frame right there. That's what I would do. I would just kind of bend it, because you're never gonna see it. Just whack it with a hammer and then drive the heck out of this thing. This is nice. If you like the manuals, if you can drive a stick shift. Do kids these days even drive stick shifts? There's a little grumble coming from the engine. Yeah. So you may want to investigate this. We do have maintenance required. TPMS light on. Brake light is on, of course, because the brake is on. I don't have my seatbelt on, but everything else seems to work. Power steering still works, so that's good. Well, let's mark this down. Do you like this? Is this something your college kid would enjoy? I think it's very nice. All right, don't get too excited. This is a car that has been following me for months, okay? I know this car was way over there in that part of the yard, okay? Probably, I don't know, 6,000 cars away. Uh-oh, there goes my Coke. You survived. Okay, that's good. Anyway, and now it's over here because it knew I was going to be here today. So maybe you remember this. This is the 04 or 05. It's an 04, I think. S500. Yeah, 04. That has been sitting for so long. Look at the suspension. Yeah, I've shown this to you before. Okay, so maybe you recognize this. The inside it's messy, but it's not too far gone. Okay, we've tried to start it. We cannot get power to the cabin. Okay, there is a battery in the back, but there's not power to the cabin, so the key does not know to try to start the car. So there's some kind of a main fuse or something that is blown. So this is something that I really would be interested in because I think I could get it for very little money, and it would take a little bit of work. Where's the door? Where's the pull? Here we go. Okay, I mean, look at it. It's a hot mess, but it's there. All the pieces are there. Even the gear shift knob is on backwards. That's a great sign. Okay. But the paint is okay. The tires are okay. Get some little center caps and you'll be good. Let me show you the engine. And the reason I'm showing this to you now is because I want to save myself from potential disaster. Okay, so we still have the air shocks right here. Okay, the engine is messy, but I think it's all there. I even think that there's oil in here. Yeah, we got oil. This is fine. I think it's just like a main fuse is probably in here or in the trunk that is just preventing us from getting power, or a relay or something, okay? Who knows? You know how I love my electrical problems. Anyway, the reason I'm talking about this car is because I want to know the history of this car. I want to know who owned it. Well, not who owned it, but when it was purchased, when it was serviced, has it been wrecked, and all of that. So I have partnered up with EpicVIN, which has access to 900 million vehicle data sheets, if that makes sense. They have the service history, they have the accident history, they have the sales history, they have pictures of cars, and it's all available to you. We're gonna have the information in the description below this video right here. I think I'm going to include this in a different video from the one that they're sponsoring because I like the service so much. So this is kind of a freebie for them because I'm going to run one on this one. Well, I guess I already did, but I don't know what the future Mike found because this is the present Mike. So the future Mike needs to talk to the present Mike to know if he's going to bid on the car in the future. Does that even make sense? I hate to do it to you, but I found another white Mercedes. This is the ML350. These are amazing vehicles, and this one with its Nexen tires looks to be in pretty good shape. I just haven't really done much of a walk around, but it has, that's a Nexen. What's over here? Oh, this is a Firestone. So we have 3 Nexens and a Firestone. I don't see damage though. I don't see damage, I don't see damage. Yeah. So I love the little running board right here. As far as the inside goes, why are you here? I heard a beep. Okay, this is a classic example of the way that they build seats now. This is so thin and it is so worn and it gets dried out because of the sun. Every newer Mercedes is going to do this. In fact, almost every car out there. I have cars that are 20, 30 years old with the real leather that are still in way much better condition than this one. But vehicle open, okay, door open, vehicle not in park. How is that possible? Let's put her in park. So I think we put her in park. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Vehicle is in park, car, and the engine sounds good. How have I not seen this before? Okay, let's crank up the AC though. Holy moly, it's hot. Turn the AC on, fan up. Here we go. Give me some cold AC, Mercedes. Do what you do best. I don't know, do you do anything best anymore? Power steering works good. You know, I've had several of the other body styles. Drive to workshop without shifting gears. Uh-oh. That could be an issue. Let's just... Here we go. Oh, here's your mileage. 206,201 miles. Yeah, that's nothing. Nothing at all. Air conditioning is cooling off now, so that's good. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Uh-oh. She doesn't want to go into gear. She doesn't want to go into any gear. Huh. Well, that's a thing. Is she out of fluid or something? I don't know. That could get expensive. Let's take a look at the engine. See what's going on. Let's take a look at the back. Let's see if this works. Yep, it works. The back is opening for us. Here it is. Oh, this is a realtor's car. Okay, we have some of the floor pieces. That goes under the seat somewhere. There's your spare. I don't think it's been used. You get a little license plate cover right here. Okay, well this is nice. Little first aid kit. There it is. Little storage. We'll lock that back up like it's supposed to be. Okay, well, shoot. I did not want to find something I wanted more than a certain Range Rover. There is some scratching right there. Let's see what the loss type is listed as unknown. Well, this isn't releasing either. Maybe that was it. Okay. Engine sounds good though. Now this is the 350 with the balance shaft issues. So you got to be very aware of that, because if you want to fix that, the engine has to come out of the car. Now there is a way to check that, but you have to remove your crankshaft position sensor or camshaft position sensor right here and right there, and there's a little symbol. You can rotate the engine to make sure the symbol on the pulleys are at the same position, and you're good. If they're off a little bit, then your balance shaft is a little askew. How do I know? Well, I had that crazy SLK 350, but this seems to be okay. Yeah. Here we go. There it is. This looks good up here. This is for your oil. Is there even a transmission? Probably not. You probably have to check that electronically, and I don't have a scanner or anything like that. We'll cover this back up. Here's a little jumper point. But this was taken care of. You can just tell. The realtor loved her car, or his car. This is definitely, I think, a female's car, but I would drive it. And then she lost the transmission or the transmission fluid, and now she doesn't like it so much. And I don't know why there's a rock right here. We'll put that down and write this down. Yeah, this would be another good car. Actually, any car would be a great car to run those EpicVIN reports on and get all the information that you need so you can make an educated decision. But see, vehicle not in park. So maybe it's just the shifter. I mean, this is an electronic shifter. Maybe it's just come off, and then the vehicle just won't let you do anything because it doesn't know what gear it's in. It could be an easy fix. It could be such an easy fix. And it could be such an expensive fix, too. It could. You got superpower coming on now. Yeah, she just decided to give me twice the flow. Oh, we have an extra key right there. Okay. Well, so tempting. Well, what would you do? Which of these three would you choose? Be sure to leave a comment and let me know. And I do want to say thanks to everybody at EpicVIN, because they sponsored my one video, and it's such a great service. And I didn't even charge them for what I said in this video. So it's a freebie. Please check it out. For $1, you can get unlimited reports, which I think is fantastic. All right. But you watched the video, so congratulations and thank you to you as well. Please like. And if you haven't shared a video of mine in a while, please do so. Go to any other social media application and share it, and that would be much, much appreciated. All right. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one very, very soon. Bye-bye.